Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Last time we stopped here, so Bismillah. Yas'aluhu asks him. Yas'aluhu asks him. Man who? Man who? Fis samawati in the skies, in the heaven, wal earth and the earth. Yas'aluhu man fis samawati wal earth asks him whoever in the heavens and the earth. Whoever is in the skies, in the heavens and in the earth asks Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Kulla yawmin every day. Kulla yawmin every day. Huwa he is fi sha'nin in a business, in a matter, in a dealing. So Shan means business, matter, dealing. Kulla yawmin huwa fi sha'n. Every day he is busy in some matter, some work, some dealing, some business. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which blessings of your Lord you both will deny. سَنَفْرُغُ لَكُمْ أَيُّهَ الثَّقَلَانِ. We will. Sa mean we will. Sanafrugu. We will free ourselves. We will make ourselves unoccupied. We will free ourselves. We will make ourselves unoccupied. Lakum for you. Lakum for you. Ayyuhas sakalan. Ayyuha mean O you. Ayyuha mean O you. Sakalan two burdens. O you two burdens. O you two burdens. Soon we will free ourselves. Soon we will make ourselves unoccupied for both of you, O two burdens. So two burdens mean humans and jinns. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which blessings of your Lord you both will deny. Ya masharal jinni wal insi. O assembly of jinn and humans. O company of jinns and human. Inistata'atum. If you all can. Inistata'atum. If you all can. Antanfuzu. To go out. To pass through. Min Akhtari, from the limits of, from the boundaries of, from the regions of As-Samawati wal Earth, the skies and the heaven. Fanfuzu, then pass through, then go out, then go beyond, then pass beyond. So first Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that soon Allah will free himself for both of you to question you on the day of judgment. Then he also says, if you have power to go out of the regions of, to go out of the boundaries of the heavens and the earth, then go out. La tanfuzuna illa bisultan. You won't be able to go out, you won't be able to pass beyond except by great power. Illa bisultan, except by great power, which of course neither human nor jinns have that power to run away. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which blessings of your Lord you both will deny? Yursalu will be sent. Yursalu will be sent. Alaykuma upon both of you. Alaykuma upon both of you. Shuwazum minnar, a flame of fire. Shuwaz means flame. A flame of fire. Wanuhasun and smoke. Wanuhasun and smoke. Fala tantasiran. So you both won't be able to help each other or anybody. So you won't be able to help each other, defend yourself. يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران. A flash of fire will be sent upon both of you, and a smoke will also be sent upon both of you. Then you won't be able to defend yourself, then you won't be able to help and each other. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which blessings of your Lord you both will deny? فَإِذَا انشَقَّتِ السَّمَاءُ فَكَانَتْ وَرْدَةً كَالدِّهَانِ. So فَإِذَا so when. فَإِذَا so when. Inshakka split open. Inshakka split open. As-sama'u the sky, the heaven. So when the sky will be split open, when the sky will be split open, fakanat wardatan, so it will become crimson. Fakanat wardatan, so it will become crimson. Crimson mean like rose colored, red colored. Wardatan rose color. So it will become crimson. Ka mean like. Ka mean like. Kaddihan like tanned leather. Kaddihan like tanned river. Faizan shakkatis sama'u fakanat wardatan kaddihan. So when the sky will be split open, it will become crimson like tanned river or tanned leather. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which blessings of your Lord you both will deny? فَيَوْمَئِذٍ لَا يُسْأَلُ عَنْ ذَنبِهِ إِنسٌ وَلَا جَانٌ. فَيَوْمَئِذٍ so on that day. فَيَوْمَئِذٍ so on that day. La yus'alu won't be asked. La yus'alu won't be asked. An zambihi about his sin. An zambihi about his sin. Insun wala jan. Neither human nor the jinn. So when the day of judgment will begin, neither human nor the jinn will be asked about his sin. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which blessings of your Lord you both will deny? يُعْرَفُ الْمُجْرِمُونَ بِسِيمَاهُمْ فَيُؤْخَذُ بِالنَّوَاصِي وَالْأَقْدَامِ. Yurafu recognized al-mujrimuna, the criminals, the sinners, the guilty, bisi mahum, by their marks, by their signs. فَيُؤْخَذُ, so they will be seized, they will be caught, they will be seized. Bin Nawasi, by the forelocks. Bin Nawasi, by the forelocks. Wal Aqdam, and the feet. So on that day, neither human nor jinn will be asked about your sin, but they will be recognized by their marks, and they will be caught, they will be seized by their forelocks and feet, their feet. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ, so which blessings of your Lord you both will deny? هذه جهنم التي يكذب بها المجرمون. هذه, this is Jahannam, hell. هذه جهنم, this is the hell. التي, which is. يكذب, denied. يكذب, denied. Biha, by. Al-Mujrimun, the criminals, the sinners, the guilty. This is the hell which is denied by the criminals. This is the hell which was denied by the criminals, the sinners. يطوفون بينها وبين حميم آن. يطوفون, though they are making rounds. No, they are making rounds. بينها, between it. بينها, between it. وبين, and between. حميم, hot water. حميم, hot water. Are mean extremely hot, boiling water. Extremely hot. Now they are making rounds between it and extremely hot boiling water. This is the hell which was denied by the sinners, by the criminals, and now they are making rounds between it and between the boiling hot water. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ, so which blessings of your Lord you both will deny. Sadaqallahul Azim. If anyone has any questions, she can ask me. I think you don't have any question. So,
Okay.
yes.
What did you say Anne meant?
An,
Severe.
an means severe, very hot, extremely hot.
Okay. Jazakallah khair.
So,
do we still have classes tomorrow?
yes, tomorrow, inshallah, we will have our class.
Okay, inshallah.
So, now you better message me about your option. Then, inshallah, tomorrow we will study.
Okay, inshallah.
Ma salama.
Ma salama.
Jazakumullah khairan.